Okay, for today's lesson, we will be going over 2D geometry. We're going to start with distance, midpoint, and gradient. So if you look here, I have a graph and 2 points on it. This first point would be 1, 2, so 2, 1. This point is 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 6. All right, to find the distance, we're going to use a formula that's given in your packet, which is d equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And you see here we have x1, y1, x2, y2. And we just substitute them in. Square root of, say we have x2, so 8 minus 2 squared plus 6 minus 1 squared. And we'll end up with, if you put the whole thing in the calculator, we'll end up with square root of 61, which gives us around 7.81. And then for the midpoint, we're going to use the midpoint formula, which is also given in the packet, which is x1 plus x2 over 2 y1 plus y2 over 2. You are taking the averages of your x and y coordinates. So what that will give us is 2 plus 8 over 2, and then 6 plus 1 over 2, and we get our point is 5, and then 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And then our gradient, aka also known as slope. In IB math, we call the slope gradient. So we know how to find slope. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And again, this is a formula that's given in the packet anyways, if you forget, which is 6 minus 1 over 8 minus 2, which gives us, let's see, that's 5 over 6, which would be our slope.